Hello friends, namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another new video, hope you like it. So let's get started. I already applied moisturizer, so that applying primer as a base with my fingertips. It helps to fill pores, fine lines, soften your skin, makes smooth skin, so apply it before foundation. After that, I'm taking this foundation of New Face Extra Hydrating series and applying with flat brush. Then taking dark brown powder to fill the eyebrows. To clean the edges of the eyebrow, I'm taking the Skill Cover Concealer shade Ivory 01 and applying with same flat brush which I use for foundation. Then I'm pressing MAC loose powder to avoid crease lines and set the concealer. Today I'm using DoDo Girl Professional Makeup for eyeshadow, bronzer, highlighting powder and also blush. Here I'm taking warm tone color as a transition shade and applying on the top of the eyelid with a small sloppy brush. Then blending it outer corner to the inner corner. I'm taking this dark tone color and applying on the crease line with the help of same floppy brush. After that, taking the shimmery color on the half of the eyelid with the flat brush. Make little bit more attractive, applying thin line of eyeliner and curling eyelashes. Then applying eyelashes of Huda Beauty SP002. Taking again same Keel Cover Concealer underneath the eyes and highlighting points and blending with Beauty Blender. Again taking same MAC loose powder to set the concealer. Now I'm applying same warm tone color on the lower lash line. Here I'm taking dark brown color as bronzer and applying on the hollows of the cheeks with the help of floppy brush. Then taking warm tone color as blush and applying on the top of the cheek. Again, I'm using same DoDo Girl Professional Makeup Palette and taking shimmery color as highlighter and applying on the high points of the cheeks and the highlighting points. Little bit in the inner corner of the eyes and brow bone too. For today's look, I'm gonna take this romantic bird liquid lipstick. At last, to set the whole makeup using this naked foam makeup fixer. Here is our final look. Thanks for watching the video.